Want to get into prestigious IIMs and kickstart your management career? Hello everyone, I am Bharat Gupta and in this video, we will break down exactly how to get admission into IIMs through CAT exam. From exam pattern to selection procedure, we have got it all covered. Let's dive in. Common Admission Test or CAT is a national level exam conducted by IIMs on rotational basis. It is the gateway to get admission to 20 IIMs and other top management schools in India. To appear for CAT, you must hold a bachelor degree with 50% minimum marks or equivalent CGPA. For SC, ST, PWD candidate, minimum marks is 45%. And remember, final year student can also apply. The CAT exam has three main sections. First is VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension. Second is DILR, data interpretation and logical reasoning. And third one is QA, quantitative aptitude. CAT exam is computer based, typically 2 hours duration with 40 minutes for each section. There are MCQs and non-MCQ in the exam. Negative marking applies to MCQ. CAT is held usually in the last week of November. Notification released around July or August, and the registration happens between August and September. Here is how to apply for CAT. Visit the official website iimcat.ac.in, registered using your email ID and phone number, fill out the application form, pay the exam fee. Once the CAT score are out, each IIMs releases its shortlist based on your CAT score, academic record, work experience and diversity factors. Shortlisted candidates are then called for number 1, VET written ability test, number 2, group discussion, GD, and this varies by institute, and PI, personal interviews. After these rounds, each IIMs prepare a final merit list based on several parameters: CAT score, VET PI score, academic records, your work experience. If you make the cut, you will get an official admission letter. Start your CAT preparation 8 to 10 months in advance. Focus on building concepts, participating mock tests, and analyze your performance on regular basis. Cracking the CAT and getting into IIMs is tough, but it is possible with right strategy and dedication. So start preparing today, and your dream B school might just be a CAT score away.